Hey MB crew, so as promised, I told you guys that I was going to show you how to take down the twists. I know. It seems like I just put them in. I've only had them in for about a week and a half. So yes, I'm ready to take them out because it's really hot and this hair is long. So as you guys can see, the hairstyle is still in really good condition. I could have kept wearing it. But yeah, so I'm just going to start by, cutting the hair down some, really self-explanatory. As far as the style, since these are chunky Marley twists, they are a little bit heavy, but they're not like unbearable. But I just wanted to let you guys know that they can get heavy, but I wore mine in a bun most of the time out of my way because like I said, it's really hot. So yeah, that's what I did, and now I'm just literally going to unravel them. You guys know I did the rubber band method, so I told you guys I would show y'all how I'm going to remove the rubber bands, but I'm just removing the hair right now. So if you haven't watched the video on how I did these jumbo Marley twists, the tutorial will be linked in the description box below. But as you guys can see from the edge control that I used, my hair is like straight from the edge control or whatever. But yeah, if you go to that video, all the products that I use will be linked below. So as you guys can see, I'm literally just grabbing the rubber bands and I'm taking my scissors and just snapping them in half, and they're literally just coming right out. They didn't tangle up around my hair didn't get caught in them, my hair didn't break off or anything crazy like that. They're really easy to remove because you guys know I did use regular rubber bands. I didn't use the clear ones this time because those have a tendency to break and snap in your head. So yeah, I went ahead and used regular rubber bands and my head is perfectly fine. Alright, so I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb and I'm going to comb out and detangle each section of my hair. I'm not going to wash my hair until the next day because when I have any like twists or braids or anything in my head, I like to wait because my scalp is really tender, from carrying all of that heavy hair. So I like to wait a day before I go ahead and wash my hair. So I'm literally just going to tie my hair down and go to bed. But y'all, my hair was fine. I did go ahead and wash my hair and it is perfectly fine. It shedded a little bit from the shedded hair that was in my hair that couldn't shed out because I had the twist in, but my hair was perfectly fine. It is perfectly fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this takedown video. Make sure you guys check out the video on how I did this style. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.